How to get LinkedIn for free. Hi everybody, welcome back to another video. In this video, we're gonna learn how we can get LinkedIn for free. So without any delay, let's start with the video. But before starting, don't forget to hit that like, share, and subscribe icon. So let's go on with the process on how we can get the LinkedIn for free. So in order to get the LinkedIn for free, first of all, you may just download the LinkedIn application onto your device from any of your app store, or you may just go to linkedin.com if you are on a browser. After that, just signing into your account. And one of the most convenient way on how you can get LinkedIn for free is getting the LinkedIn Premium free trial. New users can try LinkedIn Premium for free for 1 month. To start the trial, you can just follow up this process. The first step is click on the Me icon at the top of your LinkedIn homepage after logging in into your account and select the settings and privacy from the drop down and click account preferences on the left panel. After that, under subscriptions and payments, just click for upgrade for free and select the plan that best meets your needs and follow the prompts on the page to complete your upgrade. After that, go on with the process of payment and you should be able to get your free trial for at least 1 month. Or there are also several ways to get LinkedIn Premium for free, including student programs. Like student programs is LinkedIn partners with educational institutions to offer free LinkedIn Premium to students and graduates for up to 12 months. You can also check if your school has a partnership with LinkedIn, and if they offer free subscriptions, you'll need an email from your school's domain to be eligible for that offer. And the next thing is military veterans. If you are the military veterans of US, you can get up to 12 months for free LinkedIn Premium through your LinkedIn partnership with Share ID. And the next thing is military spouses. If you're a spouse of any of your military veterans from USA, you can get a complimentary premium business subscription that expires after 1 year. It's available again with each permanent change of station, job loss, or career change. So therefore, these are the ways on how you can get the LinkedIn Premium for free. So therefore, I hope this video was helpful to you, and thank you for watching this video.